What will be the effect on the weight of a body placed on the surface of Earth if Earth suddenly stops rotating? So we know that if an object is kept on the surface of Earth, and due to rotation of Earth there will be a centrifugal force acting on the object which is kept on Earth. So if you are considering an object over here, so we know that there will be a centrifugal force acting along this direction. Because of that, acceleration due to gravity is going to decrease by a factor r omega square into cos square theta, and acceleration due to gravity due to, if it is Earth is not rotating, is g naught. So we'll write the value of net acceleration due to gravity is equal to g naught minus r omega square into cos square theta. Now in this case, if the value of omega is equal to 0, if Earth is not rotating, when omega is equal to 0, then this term becomes equal to 0. Then the value of net gravitational field becomes equal to g naught. So we can say that the value of acceleration due to gravity is going to increase. Because if it is rotating, then we need to subtract a factor of r omega square cos square theta. Now the omega becomes equal to 0, then it becomes equal to g naught, so that we can say that the weight will increase.